Today we're going to be taking a look at the Armor 25T Pro from Ulefone. I'm going to go straight into the unboxing of this product just so I can share some of the features, as I'm super excited to demonstrate some of them, including one of the main features of the Armor 25T Pro, which is of course the thermal imaging capabilities. Okay, so let's start with the battery operation. So it has a 6500 mAh battery with a 33 watt fast charging and 30 watt wireless charging. The battery life has up to about 487 hours standby mode and up to 48 hours talk time. It has built-in lithium ion polymer battery that charges via a USB-C. So that is very universal, as you know, these days everyone is using it. It is splash water and dust resistant. It's rated IP68, a maximum depth of 2 meters up to 30 minutes, and under IEC standard 60529, rated IP69K under IEC standard 60529, MIL STD A10H certification. So the 25T is designed and certified to be super rugged, but it still manages to be thin and light to hold. It runs on Android 14 operating system and is powered by 5G SoC, Dimensity 6306 3600 chip. So it does come with 12GB memory plus an extra 256GB that can be added. So let's talk about what makes this so exciting, and that's the thermal imaging. It boasts 160 by 120 high resolution, up to 1000 meter measuring range using the ThermoView sensor. It has a 50 megapixel 1/1.31 mega sensor, plus 64 megapixel night vision camera and a 32 megapixel ultra front camera. So much to get out there. Its temperature measurement ranges from -20 to 550 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I really wanted to test out the thermal imaging. So I just kind of went around my room a little bit. As you can see, there's a scale on the right of the screen showing the temperatures from hot to cold. Now what I'm showing here is my external wall on my office. So as you can see, it is a brick wall, so obviously it's holding a lot more heat. My computer's holding more heat, and of course my light is holding a lot more heat compared to that vent that you originally saw, where it was that dark purple color, showing that was much cooler. And there is a bunch of different configurations that you can actually change when you go into the settings of the thermal imaging. From the distance away the object is that you are actually recording or taking the photo of, you can change the temperature scale of what you want to read. If you want to read a certain, like 20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, or you want to be 15 degrees to 50 degrees. And then we'll actually show up the different spots on the screen and tell you what the temperature is. And then you can also kind of switch up your color scale, so you can just kind of switch between what you prefer to be looking at and how clear it can be. But there is a bunch of customization when it comes to this thermal camera. It's amazing. And the last thing I wanted to show was the night vision. So you'd actually go into the normal camera settings, not the ThermoView app. But as you can see, I have all my lights off. I do have my computer screen still on, just so you can kind of see the comparison. But it is pitch black in this room. My iPhone, which I'm filming on for this, is not picking up anything. And then with this camera and its night vision, is picking up pretty much everything really clear. It's actually, I've never actually seen a phone be able to pick up night vision like this. Such an awesome test to be able to see the difference in temperatures in my room with the thermal imaging camera, and then that night vision camera was so clear. It was just incredible to see. I don't think I've ever seen that on a phone before. So what could it be used for? So it does list that it could be used for pipe blockages inspection, mechanical and electrical maintenance, even hidden cameras searching. You want Airbnb and you want to check for that type of thing. Electrical device maintenance, a first responder could use this, and even wildlife monitoring. And with all the technology in the palm of your hands, it is so light and such a super rugged device. You could just have a lot of fun with the Armor 25T Pro from Ulefone. So there is a link in the description below if you're interested in buying one for yourself. And yeah, please comment, like and share, and subscribe for more reviews like this one.